Good afternoon, students. Today, what class? Accountancy. Last class, we all studied what journal entry. Journal entry is basic of 11th standard. First, you learn journal entry. Listen, students. Again, I am one time. Some importance. Again, one time I am telling. That is, the accountancy is first main is accounting equation. Listen, students. Each sums, each chapter, I am instructed. You use one page using one page or double page. You listen carefully. Okay. Today, accounting equation formula 1, A equal to L plus C. A equal to L plus C. A means what? A means asset, L means liability, C means capital. Asset equal to liability plus capital. Asset add plus liability plus capital add equal to what? That is asset. One important sum is accounting equation. What? Accounting equation. There's so much of entries you enter means this is accounting equation use each and every student you use only in double sheet paper, double side only. Do not write in single side means you very bad presentation only. You use only in double page. You write neatly. I explain again one time I am explaining. Listen, students, accounting equation. First one, started business with cash, goods abroad. Broad means what? Purchase on credit from Ramesh. Purchased furniture for cash. Paid creditors by cash. Formula is what? A equal to C plus L. L means liability. Liability means creditors. Creditors is what? Liability. Listen, students. Asset means what? Which content asset? Cash, stock, furniture, machine, plant. This content are what? Asset. You write a top line is first one is transaction, next one asset. Asset means divided into 3 columns. So this question is furniture is purchase, but this question not enter means what? You enter furniture account? No. First you question read properly. Which word is used? That word only you enter. Cash, stock, furniture. This 3 content is what? Cash, stock, furniture. This 3 content what? This 3 content is asset oriented content. Next one, capital. Next one, liability. Liability means what? Creditors. Okay. First one. He started a business with cash. A person started business with cash. Cash how much? 80,000. Business started means what? Capital investment. Business started means what? Capital investment. Listen, student. First one, business started means you enter in one time only or 2 times. If business started means you enter 2 times only. That is cash and capital. That is what? Cash and capital. Cash and capital. Started a business with cash. Started business. Business means what? Capital. started a business with cash means you enter two times, two sides. First one is cash, one time enter. Again one time capital entry. First entry over. First entry you put one closed line pencil. You put draw one line. Next equation. This is equation is what 80,000 this side 80,000 over. Second entry what? Goods brought means what? Purchase. On credit from Ramesh. On credit from Ramesh. Goods means what? Stock. How much stock? You purchased 10,000. So you enter in stock 10,000. You enter 10,000 in stock. Next, you purchase from Ramesh on credit only. You not cash, credit. Automatically your credit balance is how much? 10,000. Next, close the entry. Already cash, how much are you having cash? 80,000. You having cash. Stock how much? 10,000. Furniture dash capital 80,000 same only. Liabilities are how much? 10,000. Next one, purchased a furniture for cash. Purchased furniture for cash. Your cash balance is lost how much? 80,000. Your cash balance is available. Cash balance 80,000. You draw a 6,000 rupees means 6,000 rupees. You purchase one furniture. You enter to furniture account. The line equation close. 80,000, 6,000. Answer is 74,000. 74 means already 80,000. You bring one new chair means automatically your cash balance is reduced only. Minus 74,000. Same stock 10,000. Same repeated furniture 6,000. Same capital 80,000. Creditors is how much? 10,000. Last entry, paid creditors by cash. Paid creditors by cash. The sum which one is credit entry? Second one is credit entry. Good, brought on credit from Ramesh to 10,000. Credit how much? Already you having 10,000. Creditors, paid creditors. Paid creditors means cash incoming or outgoing. Paid, outgoing. How much? 8,000. To cash is already having how much? Having cash, available balance 74,000. You draw 8,000 means 8,000 and pay creditors. How much already you credit balance is 10,000. You paid only 8,000. The last equation is 66,000. 74 minus 66. Stock 10,000 same only. Next one is furniture same amount. Capital same amount. The creditor only. How much credit balance? 10,000. But 8,000 you paid means available. Balancing only not paid amount. How much? 2,000 only. Not paid amount 2,000 only. Okay, next one. Next one, important 3 mark this type of question. Compulsory 3 mark question. Classifications of accounting. The classification of accounting: personal account, impersonal account, real account, nominal account. There's so much of different types of accounting. First one is personal account. Person relating a person is called a personal account. Natural person's account. Natural. The persons means being human being is what? Vinod account, Malini account, Radha account, Ravi account, Gokul account means that is what? Which account? Personal account. Artificial personal account. Artificial personal refers to the persons that the persons other than human being recorded a law as person. The examples of charitable institution, BSNL, Bank of India, that is artificial persons account, respective accounts. These are the accounts which are represent persons who natural or artificial or group of the person. Example is outstanding salary and prepaid rent account, that is what? Nominal, sorry, personal account. Next one, impersonal is real account and tangible and intangible account. These include accounts or properties of positions which can be seen untouched. They have a physical existence, example, plant, machinery, building, furniture, stock, goodwill, copywriting. These and all what? Real account. Next one is nominal. This the account relating the expense, loss, revenue and gaining and called a what? Nominal account. Nominal account means salary, wages, rent, income, interest, loan, etc. These are temporary account. These are temporary account. The accounts is how much. So the accounts is how many methods? That is 3 methods of calculation: personal account, real account and nominal account. The accounts is a main one important rules is a golden rules. That golden rules is personal account, real account and nominal account. Golden rules means all the above classified accounts have a 2 rules or each one related the debit and other one is credit recording transactions. First one is personal, debit and achiever, credit the giver. Real account is debit what comes in, what comes out. Next one, nominal account, the debit all express and debit all expense and loss, credit all income and gain only. This is the golden rules of accounting. Next one, journal. Journal means each and every small company or large scale or medium scale, anybody, it's compulsory. Some companies followed in journal entry. Some companies follow preparing journal entry. The journal entry is used only in single side paper only. Single side paper only. You write sums means automatically you write neatly, plus do not overwriting. You catch clearly. That is, you use only in single page only. Do not write in double page. Listen students, journal entry do not write in double page. You write only in single page only. Okay students, next one class, journal entry. Already 14 or 15 examples of journal entries. You write your class work, write neatly. Do not write overwriting. Please reduce your overwriting. Students, you write only in gel pen, do not write in ballpoint pen. 11th standard students, some mature students, you write stylish and cursive writing. That bad handwriting means past is past, but this time is very new student, use the new different atmosphere, you write stylish and write neatly. This presentation very important. Okay students, next class, next one new topic we will discuss.